In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Apple Calendar on Mac. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Apple Calendar will be available on any Mac device, a desktop, a laptop like a MacBook, and even smartphones and iPads. So all that you have to do to use the Apple Calendar is to look for the app. It will have an icon like this, and when you open the Calendar app, the very first thing that you might be prompted to do is to add an account like iCloud or Google. Of course, this is optional, but if you already have events and certain things attached to these account providers, then all that you have to do is sync with them here. This will import all of your current events into your calendar, making the process extremely simple. But like I said, this is optional and you can just choose the option to cancel. You can also link an account later. You can add details, notes, URLs, or attachments to events and set reminders with alerts so you can navigate through the different days that you will see at the top. The current month and year will be displayed here, and you can change the view. So you can change the view to the full week, to the full month, to the full year, and even on a daily view. The time slots will be available here at the left, and you have all of the calendars and categories that you have created. So you can assign different colors to different events. For example, work, you assign orange, school, you assign yellow, blue for personal, green for family, and so on. Creating an event is simple, and there is a lot of information that you can assign to this event. So you click anywhere on this screen here on any of the available time frames at the left, and you will be prompted to include a name, location, date, alerts, and a lot of other things. Sadly, for a video of this nature, I cannot cover every single thing that you will be able to manage on your event, but as you can see by this example here provided by Apple, there is quite a lot of stuff that you can do, including a precise location of the specific event on your calendar. You can delete them by clicking on them, you can edit them later, and everything will be available for you to manage. You can set up alerts, you can set them 5 minutes beforehand, 10 minutes beforehand, 15, and so on, according to any of your preferences. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Apple Calendar on Mac. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.